Today we talk about how can you add your vehicle on your BlaBlaCar app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then you when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on add vehicle here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you choose your country here. So here in this list can you choose your country. So then here can you add the code of your your license number, plate number, you add it here. So then here if you want to choose, if you don't know your license plate number here, if you don't know it, you click on this sign. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.